Urinalysis is a diagnostic screening test for individuals with various suspected illnesses. Until recently, microscopic urine sediment analysis was the most widely accepted method, but this is time-consuming and unreliable. Currently, new technological advances have paved the way for significant progress in automated technologies. Scientists from the Department of Laboratory Medicine at Ghent University Hospital, Belgium, reviewed the most recent developments in automated urinalysis and its future perspectives. Advances in microscopy have enabled more efficient sediment analysis, which remains a key method of diagnosis. Automation and progress in informatics have also improved pattern recognition workflows, enabling high output throughout clinical laboratories. Flow cytometry is an alternative to automated microscopy, which offers significant labor reduction while reducing analytical errors by allowing rapid differentiation of microorganisms. Results can be further improved by measuring dilution parameters with test strip readers. Developments in test strip technology have enabled improvements in quantitative analysis in the laboratory. At the same time, the technology offers an integrated solution for detecting disease in areas with limited access, such as portable and cost-effective readers that are able to transmit digital information via a smartphone. As the information obtained by urinalysis is complex, improving diagnostic technologies allows for more accessible, portable, accurate, and cheaper solutions to urinary disease, improving the lives of millions of patients around the world.